going to do our best here. This is your review of the bidet seat. So I'm trying to hold this phone at the same time and not shake it, so I don't know how good this is going to be. Okay. Here's your layout. This is the fan. This is female. This is your interior. That's your stop button. That's the supercharger. This is this will basically fan it out left and right. And this pulses. This is the dryer. Okay, so we're going to start with sitting down. Okay, hopefully you'll be able to hear the sound. Okay, so here's the things you can adjust. All right. The first thing is right here. This is basically the water pressure. So I'm going to turn it up and down where you can hear it. Okay, that's high. This is coming back down. I like it about right there. This is your temperature, water temperature right there. Watch it go over to 3. That's cold. I like it at the number 2 setting. This is the seat. Look underneath the water. See the seat go to 1, 2, 3. That's going to get really hot. I just leave it off since it's summer. Okay. These right here move it up and back. So you can see the little lines, and that moves it back. This moves it more forward. This moves it back. Okay, here's the oscillator. I'm going to push it. You should be able to hear it. Okay, and I'm going to move it up. Turn that back off. And this is the fluctuate here. And you should be able to hear the difference. Bring that back down. And I'll turn that off. Okay. If you want to stop this to go to another, like this is the enema, and this is for women. You hit stop. You give it a second. You can push that, and it's going to come back out. Now this is a pretty strong spray, just so you know. And same thing, you can adjust the pressure. And you all should be able to hear the difference between that and that. And you can move it forward and backward, just like on the other one. Okay? Alright, I'm going to press stop. Alright, this right here is the deodorizer. So basically what happens is anytime it senses you're on the seat, I'll press it and you can hear the fan come on. That'll run for a few minutes after you get up and leave. It'll always run when you sit. I don't use it. Alright, here's the blow dryer. Okay. Basically what you can do with the blow dryer, it's now on. This is the heat setting, up and down. That's really hot, and I mean this will burn your ass. It'll burn your ass cheek now. It's like a hair dryer, so I bring this all the way down to there. That's just for me, okay? Alright, so we've gone over how to turn one on, how you adjust the temperature. You can turn the seat on or off. You can increase or decrease the pressure. You can use the vibrate or the oscillate. You can switch between modes, and you can move it forward or backwards. Okay. Now these other ones are for that's eco mode. If you press that, it'll keep the seat at a certain temperature. I don't use that obviously. And this is to set the clock in case you want to set your clock, which you do when you first get it. All right, I think I covered everything. I'm sorry for it shaking because I'm holding the phone in one hand and this in the other. I'm going to go ahead and press stop, and that'll cut off, and that'll be the